and I are going to be driving 2.5 hours north of Christchurch towards Kaikoura. The te reo name for Kaikoura literally means to eat crayfish. We need to get to Australia by the 7th of April.
So this could very well be our final camping trip.
We've arrived at the Alpine Pacific Holiday Park. We're about to pitch the tent and have a wander, and then tomorrow it's all going to be about marine wildlife, which is what Kaikoura is really known for. Morning, y'all. Day 2 here in Kaikoura. We just packed up the tent. Got a whale watching appointment at 10 a.m. Yeah, we got an appointment with the sperm whale. He's waiting for us. Hoping to catch a glimpse of at least a sperm whale, maybe an orca if we're lucky. Not the season for humpback whales. Who knows? Hector dolphins. What are the other ones?
Dusky dolphins.
Dusky dolphins. It's gonna be a hot one today. I actually feel like summer. Alright, so here we are at the Whale Watch Center. We're about to check in, hop on the bus, and they're gonna take us to the boat. The waves don't look too choppy out there, so it should be a nice smooth ride. But just in case, I brought the anti-nausea pills. It is great though, because we could actually see the tops of the mountain today. Yesterday they were completely, well, not completely, I would say 80% of it was covered by cloud. But today we got a nice glimpse of them. They've revealed themselves to us.
Cool.
Okay. It's good that they put it up there. Chance of seasickness are low. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Got our tickets. I have to visit the old Wharepaku.
Hello. Hi. Hello. My little pouch.
You're gonna go in the water. You're gonna go for a swim.
No, I was gonna just go there to take some photos. Hello. Put some sunblock on.
Rolling. Rolling. You're the worst actress ever. I'm giving you directions to say the line.
Okay, and I'm a diva and I wasn't ready. So Kaikoura is apparently one of the few places in the world where you can see sperm whales all year round in the wild. There's a canyon underwater, and that's where they go to feed. There's a lot of like deep sea fish and squid.
That's how they guarantee a 95% success rate. And on the off chance, let's say you fall into that 5% where you don't catch a glimpse of a whale, they'll give you an 80% refund. I'll have the monkey dick, please.
So you just head straight down to the boat.
Thank you.
Roger, roger. There you go. In case you're feeling a little seasick, and there's like so many bags
Oh my
here.
god. Oh my god.
You could put cookies in there. Well, when you toss your cookies.
Ka ati au marama. E no hona pakurunga mai kia mātou te tautoko te kaupapa te wānei no māhara mai ki Wāwat Kaikoura. Ko te tumanako kia pai o tātou haringa ki te mātakitaki i ngā tuhura noho pā mai. Nō reira, kei te mihi, kei te mihi, kei te mihi.
And then we wait.
Captain Marlena is going for another listen on that hydrophone, folks. If you haven't seen it already, she will be at the back of the vessel once again.
It's been about 30 minutes. Nothing yet.
We've been out here for about 40 minutes already. So keep your eyes scanning, folks. This whale could be coming to the surface. that, folks. Congratulations to you all with your first encounter with the mighty male sperm whale. Along the window side of the vessel, folks. Archie is back. Take your photos now.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all.
I hope you also enjoyed those dusky dolphins. Thank you all for coming out today. Cheers.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I did.
Saw the sperm whale, saw those dusky dolphins.
And no motion sickness, which is awesome.
No. Felt a little hungry towards the end, but it's all good. Never seen that many dolphins in one location in my life.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day.
So albatross check, sperm whale check, massive pod of dusky dolphins check, albatross check.
But there was two types. One of them was a mollymawk. I don't know what that means. And one of them was the dark winged ones, which I think is like royal something something. And they're like that big.
Massive wingspan, huge beaks, that big.
And they have tubes on their nose, on their beaks. That's what filters out the salt.
The things you learn. All we have left to do here in Kaikoura is grab some crayfish, because I am hungry.
Way back before we blew it all.